Hi everyone, welcome back to my HTML tutorial. I'm Rohit. Today we'll talk about the table concept in the HTML. Okay, so let's get started. So today we'll talk about the table. To create a table, first of all you have to type the table. Okay, inside the table, whatever element you want to put, you can put. Okay, so this is the table. It will create a table structure, and the table structure will have a lot of element. Okay, so in a table, what we have first of all a row, right? So for that, we have typed the tr. It's mean the table row. Okay, we'll create a row, and inside the row, we'll create some header. Okay. So in the table, what we are going to put that name, mobile, and age. Okay. So for create that row, what we have to do, we have to type the td, and now what I have to put the name and how many columns what I have to define that I will define here. So copy, paste and paste, and here I will paste the age and then mobile. Okay, so once I save that, our table should be created. You can see name, age and mobile. This table is created, and inside that these have some header. Now we have to create some row and we have to put some data, right? So again, we are going to create a new row, right? So tr, and inside the tr we have to type td, and in this case name, what we have to put the name is abc, and the next header is what age. What we have to do, we have to do 1 2 3, and then next what we have to do, again we have to create one more td, and that its mobile number, we have to put that some mobile number. Okay, so let's save that, and you can see the table is getting created, table row is getting created. For the duplicacy, I'll copy a few more lines for to show a demo. I'll put here, uh, so I just copy 3 4 times, and now you can see the name, age, mobile, these are repeating. Okay, and this is the name abc, and this is the age, and this is the mobile number. So that's how you can create the table. So understand that. So name, age, and mobile doesn't looks a bold, right? It's not a look bold. It's a header, although it's a header, but not like it's not showing a bold, right? For that, what we have to do, we have to TD instead of TD in the first row. TD we have to type the TH. TH means the table header. So it denotes that it's a table header, not a normal TD. Okay, so I'm just replacing all. Now save that. So you can see that right now the name, age, mobile, these all are three elements. Right now it looks like a header and it have some bold concept right now, right? What happens, they are very clumsy, right? They are attached to each other very closely, right? So for that we need to define the width here. So we'll type the width here. So for width, we have to type the style. So this is inline, and we are typing width equal to 100%, right? So once we put the 100%, it will be little bit spacey, and then if I do in a full screen, you can see the table is in your full screen. It's in a your full screen. So I put that with equal to 100%. It means that whatever is the page size, it will be go and show in there. So now if you see that normally that a mobile have a two types of digit, right? Normally we could have a country code and then there is a mobile, right? So let's do that. I'll create one more th here, and then I'll put that country code. And this country code, once I put the country code, I should create some country code for bottom table, right? So let's put that, and I'll put that 901 is the country code. Copy and paste all the row. And now save that. The country code is showing 91 for each and every column. Now what happens? We need to combine both the columns. This column and this column, we need to combine. The header will be only one, and that will do a combine. Okay. For that, I'll remove this TH part here from this part, and then what we'll do, we will type the call span, and then here how many column or how many row we want to span. I'll put the 2. It means that 2 column will be added. You can see these two are span or maybe get together, and then it is showing the data. So that's all about the table creation. I'll do a little bit table modification to show that data is little better. Now in this table, if you see the table doesn't have any border, right? It's look very bad to doesn't show any table row and like the cell or grid, right? To do that, what do we have to do? We have to go to that table and then put the border, right? So let's do that. Inside the table, what we'll do here in the style, we will do that border, and inside that we'll put the 1px and solid and then black color code. Once I save that, you can see outside there is a created one block. Outside it is created one block, but th and td, these are not created the block. So let's create the copy the same thing and paste here the th and see that how it looks like. Copy this code and go back to the th and then put the style equal to this whole concept, and then copy over this whole element, each and every header. Okay, so I'm putting each and every header. Once I save that, you can see they have the border inside each and every column, right? Each and every header, but doesn't have these to the TD, right? So we need to implement each and every, otherwise we can do directly style sheet here and then define that. Okay, so go back to that header and then I'll create a style here. So I'll create a style inside that. I will write some code. So style means that whatever style sheet I'll put that it will be, whatever CSS I'll put that it will be actually applicable for whole the page. Okay. So for which element we want to implement that, we already implemented for table, we already implemented for TH. Now we want to implement for TD. So let's put the TD, and then inside the braces, what we want to implement that, we want to implement the border equal to 1px and then solid and then black color. Now save that. You can see each and every column have some borders and it looks like that. So now if you see that all the text are shifted to that left side, if you see these text are left shifted to the left side, we need to put all the text into the in between, right? So for that, what we can do, text alignment, we can put that. Now you can put the text alignment equal to center. So it means that all the TD, inside all the TD, all the text will be shifted to the center. So that's why we put the text alignment equal to center, so that all the TD's text will be shifted to the middle side. So that's how you can create a table. Thank you very much. We'll talk in the next session.